Hazrat Ali forbade about friendship as La tuwakhi में yastaru manakibaka wa yanshuru masalabaka. Never make that person your friend who hides your qualities and spreads defects. According to Surah Furqan, ayat number 28, Ya Wailata Laytani lam attakhiz fulanan khalila. Oh, woe to me! I wish I had not taken that one as a friend. बेसल अखु मन यरआका गनियन व यक्ताउका फकीरा. A bad friend is one who supports you in prosperity but abandons you in poverty. ला यंबगी लिल मरइल मुस्लिमिल फाजिरा वलल अहमका वलल कज़्ज़ाब. It isn't suitable for a Muslim to do friendship with wicked, foolish and liar. Al-mira'u yusidu sadaqat al-qadima. Useless discussion finishes the old friendship. Man lam tantafi bi dinihi wa dunyahu. The person whose religion and world don't benefit you. Fala khayra laka fi majalisatehi. There is no betterment for you to keep company with him. Sadiq Kul Jahili fi ta'bin. The friend of the ignorant is surrounded by hardships. Wala tashab man yatazayyanu bika. Don't make such a person your friend who makes his glory because of you. Iyaka sohbatul ahmaki fa innahu aqrabu ma takunu minhu aqrabu ma yakunu ila masa'atika. Avoid the friendship of the foolish because the closer you are to him, he will try to be closer to your faults. Ihzir mimman iza hadastahu ghammaka. Avoid such friend. When you talk to him, he may trouble and confuse you. Kullu mawaddatin aqadaha at-tam'u halahal ya'as. Love based on greed leads to disappointment. La tattakhiz aduwa sadiqika sadiqan fata'ada sadiqaka. Don't make friend of your friend's enemy. Otherwise, you will become enemy of your friend. لا تستبدلن بأخ قديم أخا مستفادا ما استقام لك. Give preference to your old friends than new friends.